Hey, welcome back to my channel, and I'm coming to you today with a Bloomingdale's unboxing. And the most fabulous part about it is not that I got something that I wanted, which was my Mother's Day gift to myself. It was the savings involved and the points that I earned as a Bloomingdale's loyalist. Sent it to me in a package, but they put the iconic brown bag in the package. So it's a little wrinkled, but I'm not mad about that. I love getting little brown bags and medium brown bags and the bigger brown bags because, you know, that's my store. So I will unbox this right now. It's in the little Bloomies box for their jewelry. And here's the little drawstring bag. Telling you, these sales are my thing during quarantine. I am like any sale, I will deeply look for the best sales that I can find because it's more fun that way. So here they are. They're kind of hard to see because these are, again, ear huggies, but these are black diamonds and they're exclusive to Bloomingdale's. Definitely gonna have to take a shot for y'all and post it up because it's hard to see, but I do have the second ear holes, but I wanted to get a set of huggies to go in there that matched and were, you know, good jewelry. So these are black diamonds that were on sale. It's 14 karat gold, and I think the total carat count on that is 0.20. So it's very small little black diamonds, and they just comfortably fit right there in that second hole and hug your ear. The original price of these were $750. When I saw them, they were marked down 50% to $375. For this sale, though, if you bought them, you got an additional 25% off. So I ended up paying $281.25 for $750 black diamond earrings. And yeah, saved myself about 468 bucks. And so that's going to make wearing them that much sweeter. And also, when you're a loyalist, you earn points which you can convert to like a card for yourself, $25 card, $50 card, whatever, however many points that you get to take off another purchase. So, and also at the top of the list, so there's times that I earn even more points and I can pick a couple times a year that I want to power up my points. And that's the stuff I'm saving for when I buy Louis Vuitton or Chanel through Bloomingdale's. That's definitely when I want to power up my points. They're little and they're just absolutely cute. And I've never worn black diamonds before, so this is awesome. But yeah, that was one of the things I bought for myself. And I always say a woman should buy her own jewelry at times. And so this Mother's Day, that was what I wanted to get for me. And of course, saving all that money is amazing. So I hope you guys are finding some good sales as you are sitting at home or shopping from home. I know some of you are getting to go into the mall, so that's awesome for you. But I'm in a county that we're not going anywhere until the numbers are right. So I am continuing to hone my shop at home skills. And if you saw my video on the White House Black Market sale that I had, that was amazing. The mod shots are now on my blog. I posted them up last night with more details on how I got into online shopping, and I put several mod shots on there so you could see my items with me wearing them. And I do have more coming because I hit the sale again. So yeah, it's all about the fashion and the sales for me right now. It's keeping me sane. Hope you're following me on my blog and on my Pinterest as well, because I get into other aspects of life that are still kind of luxe, but also with a side of discounts and creativity and just a life as a woman over 40, as a mother of teenagers. And when we're allowed back out again, there will definitely be more travel stuff on there. You can sign up for blog notifications on my site. You can just put in your email and it will send you an update whenever I post. So I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you have a great week.